Welcome everyone. Welcome. Well, it seems like we're still heading for that 166 level. Wow, I just checked it and yeah, we're going there. If you go to the 1 hour, there's clearly a sell side liquidity here and then below. So I wouldn't be surprised if we would just go there. There's still 1 hour until market opens, so this one for me looks like a sell-off. I would be careful going long, that's for sure. How you guys are doing? Is anybody here, or I'm just talking to myself? I think I'm just talking to myself, which is good, which is absolutely not insane. Futures market is about to open. Let's see. Yeah. Eastern Standard Time is 8:28, which means, yeah, we'll still have 1 more hour. Still 1 more hour to go. Well, this gold zone was actually great. I think we should be dropping to 66. Hey there, Air Trader, how you guys doing? Watching your trades an hour more. Yeah, how you guys doing? Hi Tom. How did you get into futures trading? How did you learn it? Well, you know, guys, I was into Forex and I was trading with Forex prop firms, and not just prop firms. I was trading Forex on with my own money back in the day. So, hey Uninair, joining your sessions for the first time. Thank you so much for being here. And by the way, where is my soundboard again? Huge applause, guys. Push the like button if you can help out the stream. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to check out the giveaway. I'm gonna tell you just a second, Taylor. Just a second, Taylor. I want to make sure that the giveaway is pinned out. So just give me a brief second here. There's a giveaway video. Copy link. And what I'm gonna do, this is the giveaway. Just pasting it right now. Pin message. All right. So how I got to trading futures? Well, I was trading Forex, and you know, I'm not saying I was all that successful, but the main thing is, while I was trading Forex, I realized that, well, let's just say I was watching a few YouTubers who were trading futures, and I was also listening to ICT as well many times, and some other influencers online, and it always got to my mind that, you know, as they say, the futures is gentleman's market. There's no manipulation of the spread, no manipulation of the prices and everything. And I started to realize that on a Forex brokerage, and most likely on Forex prop firms, there's always price manipulation going on. So you're just getting whacked by the spread, or they just you know, hunt your stops down or whatever. But you know, the futures market is basically, if you look at it in the big picture, is, I mean, not the big picture, but the intraday time frames, like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, whatever, the small time frames, it's basically exactly the same. So I wanted to trade Nasdaq anyway, so I was trading CFDs with huge spreads. I couldn't make it intraday, and the moves, the setups and everything was basically exactly the same. And since I was not a swing trader, my aim was not to hold trades over the week or for a couple of days. My goal was always to close down every trade by the end of the New York session. So futures actually fits my trading style much more than swing trading, Forex or commodities or whatever. But with futures, of course, I can still trade gold futures if I want to. I can still trade oil or whatever. But the thing is, it's regulated. Everybody sees the same price. I do love that. So I think it's a great thing. Back at the day, I thought that, oh, I don't want to. Maybe it's fine that I'm not on a regulated market. I was wrong. It's much better. The data is the same for every prop firm, every brokerage. Everybody sees the same to the tick price by the law, and that is really helping me. And the algorithm or price or whatever you want to call it, the price action really respects those levels, those highs or lows or fair value gaps or whatever. And how did I learn it? I was actually just learning smart money concepts, not just from ICT. I was learning smart money concepts from other traders too. So yeah, that's it. It was easy to transition from Forex to futures for me, and I'm gonna make a video about this as well, since the Forex prop firms are definitely making a rug pull situation. I would strongly advise everyone to stay away for now until the time being from Forex prop firms based in the US until the time being, because I think this year there's going to be some major changes around those markets. So for example, futures prop firms, proprietary trading firms, are regulated and working since more than 10 years. TOPSTEP works for 12 years. Apex Trader, so these are OG prop firms, regulated and licensed by CFTC. I'm happy about that. So I don't have to worry about like the Funder Trader program or anybody else, that they're just going to do the rug pull. So sorry if I mentioned the Funder Trader program, is that if anybody is involved with them, but I do think that that is one of the scammiest and shadiest prop firm out there. So, and their CEO is just a straight liar. I'm sorry, I had to say that. And before you say anything, Forex prop firms are not really trading companies or proprietary trading firms. They are marketing companies. That's it. They are basically marketing companies. They are not real trading companies. They just want your money. They will never put you into the live market. They are not even intended to put anyone to the live market. So most of the Forex prop firms are being run from a basement by a 20-year-old kid. No offense, but most of the Forex prop firms with DX Trader and C Trader, you can get the license and the back office and everything for a few $1,000s. They are run from a basement, and that's it. That's your prop firm. I mean, not your, obviously, but that's why I joined futures. 5 minutes. Golden, yeah, like in the margin call, right? Like Jeremy Irons said, like a child all to a golden retriever. Futures is basically the same as trading Forex or whatever, it's basically the same. If I really want to explain it, the name futures, because it's a future contract, is just woozy, like a woo, fairy tale, dust in the wind, as they said in the Wall Street. Who cares what it's called? It's basically a chart, the same exact chart as the CFD or whatever. Is the same exact gold. The gold futures chart is the same chart as gold commodity chart. So who cares who we call it? Futures, pickles, or whatever you want to call it, whatever. Who cares what's the name of futures market? I think, by the way, as an outsider, I'm not from the US, I think it's quite a silly name to call the futures market futures market. I think it's a little bit funny. Futures market. Why is it called futures market? Yeah, I know, because we are trading with the contract, a future contract. Anyway, Futures market in a nutshell, it's basically the same as every other market. It's just called futures. That's it. So nothing special. The good thing is that it's regulated and everybody sees the same price. So we can talk about this for hours. And by the way, these contracts, so the rollover, the March contract now and the June contract and whatever, this is also funny. I think it's a little bit hilarious, but still, it's funny. It's funny how they call it March contract and June contract. I don't know why they have to, because I'm not an expert. I never said I know the fundamentals of the future market. I don't know the fundamentals of the futures market, yet I can still take out money from prop firms. So, but I don't ask me about the fundamentals of the futures market, how it has been developed and where are the contracts going, who are they booked to, who are trading with it, blah blah blah. I mean, of course we know that, but why is there a need to be June contract, March contract, December contract? Yes, because it's going to expire. But I would say why? Because this and that. Why? Why can't there just be one price? But that's not going to be called contracts, right? It's not going to be called futures. Anyway, just look at the goddamn price, you know, at the chart. Just look at the chart. It's always the same. Who cares what it's called? The candle formations, the setups are the same. Just trade it. That's it. That's what it's all. If you're a technical trader, if you're a fundamental trader who's trading with you know, economics, you know, numbers and everything, for news, stuff like that, then maybe you should care more. But 99% of us are technical traders, so I don't really care about how the contracts are. Anyway, I just care about, you know, liquidity levels, intraday trends, risk management, and that's it. The rest, I'm not interested really. Sorry if I disappointed anyone, but that's how I look at it. All right. By the way, I still think that we should be piercing through 166 here on the June contract. On the March contract, let's go to the March contract. March contract, how awesome, right? We have a March contract. So the March contract still has a sell side at 17,915. So that should be sell side on the March contract. On the June contract, it should be 18,166 if this is going to be a sell-off. So I don't care about what is it saying in price. I'm just looking for the levels, the same levels. Yes, I know, Wetmild. Yeah, I know that. We're rolling over to June contract. Yeah, 3 months in future. But I would ask, you know, by the way, welcome to the stream, Wetmild. Thank you so much for joining. But, you know, I would ask why, you know. Tell me, why are we rolling? Why is there a need for a future contract? Why don't they just give a price, you know, you know, I mean, anyway, see it as this example. Let's say I sell wood and you have factory for tables. Because price goes each day up and down, it's hard to choose. I see what you're going there. Yeah. Dadeka, by the way, thank you so much for joining. So yeah, I know. Because I have to make tables. I have to know what the price is going to be, right? So let's say I sell 4 tons of wood for 100K and you say it's good price, 100K. Then we make a contract to sell each other over 4 months. Great. So for the period of 4 months, I'm buying 100k, 4 tons for 100k, right? So at the end of the month, we got what we wanted. I'm sorry, I'm so stupid in this one. I know, but then why is the price changing during that 4-month period? For example, when we signed the contract, this man got it. Yeah. All right. So, but the price is still changing. Okay, I get it. So for the next 4 months, we're going to sign a contract at the rollover price, or I don't know. I'm sorry, guys, if I disappointed anyone, and I hope you're not. But if wood was more extensive, then I'm sad and you happy, and the other way around. Yes, but you know the price is changing inside that 4-month period. For example, on Nasdaq, so the wood contract is changing. So if I buy wood today on the 11th of March, today the contract is going to be on a different price, right? We exchange the price to what was determined at the auction. Okay. By the way, sorry about the noise, but Top Gun fighter jets are flying over my house. So I'm living next to an airbase, a military airbase, by the way. So we have these fighter jets always, you know, circulating. Yeah, but I don't want price to change. But price is changing. Like Nasdaq. Price is changing. Right, but it makes more simple for brokers, tax collectors, and traders to have a set contract. Oh, okay. Okay, now I'm starting to get something here. Okay. Okay. The only times they change are during major news, but that's determined by the individual broker. Okay. So because if I'm buying wood today and the price goes down, I mean, for example, on Friday, and the price now went down, if this would be the contract for wood, for example, in the early morning, I make a phone call to you, hey, I need 4 tons of wood, and you sell it to me for $18,000. Okay, just saying the numbers. And I phone you up again, okay, I need another 4 tons of wood, and now it's cheaper, and you have to sell it cheaper to me. Then what's good? What good is the 4-month rollover period? You know, if I want to buy wood from you at the afternoon or later in the morning, then the price is cheaper. Yeah, so yeah, Victor is prepping for invasion. Definitely. Futures trade 23 hours per trade. Which time period is the most? Well, mostly, absolutely, the New York session is the most liquid. Also, I mean, if you trade the Nasdaq, I would love to trade the DAX with prop firms, but that would be good for London session. But with the Nasdaq, it's definitely the New York session. Look like this, you know, for yourself, for fountain of wood. You don't want to lose money if you make a profit. Yeah. Yeah, but these company buy it in big stock for months. Okay, okay, I see. Okay, so that's partially answers my confusion. So if I'm running a huge factory and I call you early morning that, hey, I see the wood price at 18,296. I want to buy 10 tons of wood. You sell it to me, you send the truck. Okay, and then I call you 2 hours later. Oh, I want another 10 tons of wood, but now it's $100 cheaper. So that's not how it works, right? Okay. So this is sold at a much higher amount at the auctions. You're taking a chance by buying at a certain rate that you lock in, just like investing in any other stock. Yeah, okay. Okay, guys. I'm trying to get, okay. I'm slowly getting there. Don't worry. By the way, I was reading about this, and I, of course, somewhat I know what you guys are talking about, but it's still hard for me to consume why. And this is a good example. If I am running a huge super factory that requires wood, and if by some reason after 1 week to the other, the wood just getting super cheaper and the contract is getting much more cheaper, why can't I just phone the seller that, hey dude, I see that from last week we just dumped like 5% lower in price, so I want to buy on this price, and I'm not going to wait 4 months until the next contract rollover or whatever. Yeah, definitely. But I get it, guys, I get it. We're super close to this sell side. Anyone has the balls to go short here? If you go short here, it can, you know, it's very dangerous to take out the 65 level. I mean, if wood went to 50k, then obviously, if this would have gone way up by the afternoon or by the next week, I would have to pay a higher price. So it works the other way around too. Is the New York session from 1:30? No, it's from 14:30. Yeah, until 8 p.m. Yeah, the New York session. So right now on my time is 1:49 p.m. and the PM session ends because there was a daylight saving change, but not yet in our country. So I have to calculate 4 times a week the daylight saving. The daylight saving change is going to be at the end of the month here in Hungary. So until last week, the New York Open was 3:30 at my time. Now it's going to be 2:30, and the close is going to be 9 o'clock in the evening. So 4 p.m. New York time is going to be 9 o'clock in the evening. Every day is cool day. There you go, Robert. I'm waking up at 2:15 for the, yeah, 2:15 for the DST NYSC. Wow, wet that is. But you know, you were a soldier. You know what to do. You're a tough guy. You can handle it. You're a tough guy. You can handle it. So, if any one of you guys have the balls to go short here to take out sell side, go all in, full contracts. All contracts, sorry. Full margin, all contracts, all possible contracts with minis. Go all in, short. It starts at 3:15 for me. Oh, you're in Hawaii. Oh my god, man, in Hawaii. Oh, wow. That is so cool. You're in Hawaii. My fiance, she wants to go to Hawaii. One of her dreams that she wants to go there. And I told her that don't worry. As soon as we get the Lambo from trading, the second thing that we're gonna do is go to Hawaii. Yeah. On ES, you want price to go to 51.75, and if reverts, then short. Let's check ES. 51.75. Yeah. What is going on here? Okay, we have sell side at 51.50. The first 3 years in Hawaii was great. Year 11, I'm over it. You know, I saw so many television, movies or series or documentaries about Hawaii, and as I said, my fiance, she is always watching if there's something going on, even just a documentary about Hawaii, and she always comes up to topic that, oh, we have to go to Hawaii, at least, you know, we have to travel there. And I say, yeah, sure, I mean, of course, I mean, yeah, why not? It's basically almost below us at the other side of the planet, but I said, yeah, sure, why not? Of course. 575 until 577, that area is profit taking. Market reversals, let's check it on the 1 minute. 75 to 77, 75 to 77. I see what you mean. 77. Then I think we could go into this fair value gap too. Let me check the 5 minute. You know, 75 here. Fair value gap. It can go sweep some liquidity, then boom, go down. At the point, like 21 degrees is too cold for me now. It's like purgatory out here. Oh wow. Oh wow. You know, yeah, I totally understand. I totally feel you there. Also, you know, some people are saying, like, because of everybody's talking about the end of the world and, you know, world war and everything, then people are saying here in the country, what should we do if, you know, the new world war is coming to us, and, you know, World War III will starts, and where should we go? And, you know, everybody starts saying, well, you know, we should go to Hawaii or Australia, you know, because that's pretty far, and that's it. And, you know, there's some, you know, some truth in there. You know, if this whole thing goes to nuclear war here in Europe, then I might travel as far as I can. I trade only price and looking at reasons of manipulation for reverse or for follow through on ES. That's a very good strategy there. Hey guys, by the way, can you push the like button? And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Check out the giveaway also. A 50k starter account giveaway is on its way until Thursday. If you want to register, just check out my video. It's pinned there. You just have to fill out a form, register to My Funded Futures. You don't have to buy anything. You can use my link to register. And My Funded Futures is going to make the pick, and the winner is going to be announced on stream and on Twitter too. That's was the commercial. Think about this way though. Strong US military presence in Hawaii. What's yeah. Well, I haven't really thought about that, wet milled. I haven't really thought about that. That's actually, yeah. That's interesting thinking there. If China starts to do stuff, you know, Hawaii is, yeah. Well, yeah. Understandable. Get a house with 25-year roof. Yeah. We're gonna be one of the first to go. Well, you know, it sounds funny, but it's actually not funny, man. Oh well. But it seems like you're taking it okay. Oh, dude, this is so awesome. But I mean, this is awesome. You're from Hawaii and I'm from here, Europe, you know, and we're talking, we're trading. I love the internet. I love this whole stuff going on. Hopefully the nuke hits me right in the Oh man, Dr. Manhattan. I mean, that's a very good question. Who is the most powerful superhero or super character or whatever in the whole comic universe? It can be DC universe, Marvel, whatever comic universe. I think it's Dr. Manhattan. Yeah, the internet changed it all. Exactly. I think it's Dr. Manhattan is actually, he can just evaporate Superman with like this. Dr. Manhattan can destroy all the superheroes with one. I mean, he's stronger than everything. Dr. Manhattan is the strongest. Is without doubt the strongest. But yeah, absolutely. Dr. Manhattan is the strongest superhero of all time in the human race. Not even Superman. You cannot name any superhero or supervillain who is more powerful. Dr. Manhattan takes them all with just one snatch. There you go. That's how simple. He doesn't even have to do this. He just thinks of it, boom, and everybody dead. That's it. Dr. Manhattan is the strongest ever. He can do whatever he wants. He could just destroy the whole planet with just one thought, like boom, and it's over. That's it. So yeah, bro, since I started trading, I met some of the greatest. Wow. That's awesome, man. I think you have some good stories there. I'm in Netherlands, but you're from Serbia. Nice. I used to go to Serbia. Yeah. Yeah, he was created as the most OP hero. Yeah. So that really, if anyone asks you, it's so hard sometimes to, you know, if someone is speaking Hungarian like me, for a Hungarian, and it's true, for a Hungarian to speak English sometimes it's difficult because I pronounce so many things differently. I have to move my mouth absolutely differently between Hungarian and English, so it's hard for me to pronounce. But yeah, Dr. Manhattan is OP. Not even, he can destroy the whole universe. Yes, exactly, Wet. Dr. Manhattan can destroy the whole universe with one thought, and he could be in a different, brand new universe at the same thought. So he can do anything. Anything he wants. He can also create life. That's how I feel when I speak Korean. Oh, yeah. We don't make those noises in English. Yeah, yeah, so that's it. Sometimes it's so hard for me to articulate in English because the Hungarian is so much different. And yeah, that's why I have problems. Sometimes you guys think I have some disorder or something, but it's but it's just hard for me to pronounce words. I learned a bit Korean. Oh, nice. My two favorite land. Oh, second favorite land. Nice, 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 nice. By the way, let me check. Do we have still the BULENOX sale going on? I was surprised because... oh, it's not working anymore. All right. We're down to 72% on option 1 accounts. So I'm taking off this fire. BULENOX sale is gone. So Tom Sabo 1 goes for 72%. So there you go. Tom Sabo 2 goes for 58% on option 2 accounts. So the BULENOX sale is over, guys. You missed it. I mean, for now, at least. What do we have? We still have Apex. Chinese was easy for me. Japanese even easier. Korean. Oh, I have to change the timers. Streamlabs. Streamlabs. Let me go to timers. BULENOX sale is off. How much is it now? 72% with BULENOX. 72. BULENOX. Confirm. And that's it. So Apex has 71, BULENOX has 72. At least Chinese grammar is similar to English. Oh, really? Japanese and Korean grammar are the devil. It's like I said in the other day, when the Pope was in Hungary, he was greeting the Hungarian ministers in Hungarian. And he was asked that, oh, Your Holiness, you can speak Hungarian. And he said, no, but don't worry. In heaven, everybody speaks Hungarian because it takes an eternity to learn Hungarian. Yeah. So, yeah, Hungarian names are difficult. For example, my name is Tom for you guys, but my Hungarian name is Tamas. So I write my name in Hungarian like this. That's my Hungarian name. Now, you cannot really pronounce it perfectly. So I'm not Tom, I'm Tamas. Actually, not even this. I have a apostrophe here. So this is my correct name. This is my Hungarian name. This is Tom in Hungarian. There you go. Yeah. So, but for you guys, I think it's more simple with Tom, right? What is happening? ES is edging higher into this area still. I think everybody waits for market open. Don't use the before Hungarian, as that would mean the people in plural. The. I don't know what you mean, but maybe I know. Don't use the before Hungarian. The Hungarian. Oh, yeah, maybe. Thought it's Thomas. Almost. Without the Z at the end. Without the Z, but almost. Yeah. FX and trophy. Almost. I do waiting for open. I never trade EU session. Well, technically, we are in the New York kill zone, so let's see. By the way, I'm preparing a video about intraday and end of day trading drawdown, pros and cons. I think it's going to be interesting, hopefully. All right. Well, we have nothing. So Apex Trader has the best offer right now. Well, almost the best, but the best. Just checking. Also, if you want to start with TOPSTEP, just make a new account and you can have up to, well, 20%, up to almost 60% if we look at the original price from last year, but 20% discount on your first purchase. Just have to use the link. Let me check what's going on here. All right, everything is fine. Edging higher. ES is in the fair value gap, guys, in the 5-minute fair value gap. I think it's gonna, this is an order block, bearish order block on ES. So it's very good if somebody is confident enough to go short here. Oh yeah, the people, I see, Taylor. All right. Yeah. Yes, too slow. Okay. Gold ball sec. Kintama. Nice. Sorry, my English teacher identity can't be switched off. It's fine, Taylor. It's completely fine. It's perfect. Hey, good morning, Grand Wolf. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you, man. So, we are in a bearish order block, technically. Well, not yet. We still needed to go to 77. But it's a very, very clean bearish order block. I do like this. This would mean some more opportunities to go short. So if ES would start to react in this level, what I would like to see, maybe if we're going for the sell side of 166 on the June contract, first we should take out the 222 because there is an order block here. I think it should be taken out. Maybe even a little bit higher, but I would not say that we're done with the selling. I would look for a beautiful short entry if we get one. But on the 5-minute, there's still one more area up here, right there on the 5-minute chart. Let me show you here. So there's a fair value gap also, which means if NQ would climb up there to the 242s on the June contract, then I would be looking for a displacement to take out the sell side. That's what I would be looking for. If you're very aggressive, you can enter a short here. It's still aligned up with the trend. Almost relative equal lows if you check here and here. And so you can go with that if you want to. Ba-da-da-bum. I'm only looking for, not saying like an A+ setup, but I really need to see a clean entry. And because we have 20 minutes until market open, I would strongly advise you guys not to enter unless you have wider stops and you have a clear plan how to do this. Overall, I think ES is bearish. We could go to 51.50 on the June contract, which means we should be seeing NQ shifting to the downside. If I see that, I might jump in, but not forcing anything at this point. So let's wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-ba-dum. Okay. Let me know what you guys are up to, what you guys are waiting or looking or jumping into any trades. I would say don't do that. So ES is edging higher. If it takes out this order block, Game time coming. Green for open. Green for open. Yeah. Well, American coffee. All right. American style. Green for open. Yeah. By the way, so I like Americans drink coffee like, you know, in Europe everybody drinks like espresso, like in a very small little, you know, what's it called? I have to have Google Translator. In a very small cup. I know cup, but in a very, very tiny cup. And it's espresso. Americans drink coffee like from this big, I don't know, like from a huge, like Starbucks has these like half-liter coffee mugs or whatever, and that's the American coffee. At least when I go to a Starbucks here in Hungary, there's the name Americano. And when I ask for an Americano, I ask for a big one. And it's like this big. Like, I can drink it all day. While most likely the elderly people here, they just drink a tiny, super strong espresso, like, zip, and they're finished. That's it. And they have a heart attack, like, and the day goes on. That's how they do it. Yeah, waiting for US to open, then looking. I would say only jump into a trade at the open if you really know what you're looking for, even if you're scalping. Starbucks is trash, but yeah, I drink Americanos. 4 or 5 espresso shots. So 1 Americano, call it the MOB. So 1 Americano, mother of all brews. I like that. I like that. So 1 original Americano is like 4 or 5 espresso shots. That's wow. Starbucks is trash. Wow. I'm not like a coffee guru or something because I'm not like a coffee expert. I don't know. I know a guy in person. He is a friend of mine, and he spent like, in US dollars, I'm going to say it to you, he spent like $1,500 on a coffee machine in his home. And he's very delicate, and he's very, you know, exquisite about choosing coffee and how he drinks coffee. And he told me that he's only drinking coffee from that machine, which was like $1,500, because that's like very normal. That's the only chance for you to drink normal coffee. and yeah, I have to tell, like, when I was drinking coffee with him at his home, it was definitely a nice coffee. You love trading open. Oh, that's your favorite. I'm 42 years. I had 1 coffee in my life and never again. Well, proves that you're going to live much longer than us, you know. Yeah, that's about right. My wife and I are possibly going to open a... What? Bakery coffee. Wow. She is very particular about it. Wow, 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 wow. You do the baking. Shut the front door, man. You're gonna do... In Hawaii, you're gonna do a coffee/bakery shop. That's awesome. Now I have to go to Hawaii, you know. Definitely send me an email or something when you're starting out. I'm gonna save some money for the trip, you know. We have to go there. We have to go there. I mean, that's awesome. Especially that you're doing it with your wife. Coffee and you're baking. Like, that's like... Sounds a little bit cheesy, but that's kind of like the American dream, right? Like, I'm retired, I'm baking, my wife is making coffee, we live in Hawaii. That's kind of cool, I think. It's kind of refreshing. Awesome. I'm Italian American. I bake a lot of bread. Wow. But we won't be doing it in Hawaii. I think we're opening in Colorado. Still, no problem. I'm going to Colorado then. I love these kind of places. I saw a few of these places in Europe, and overall, a few. Like I love these kind of places, especially if they're run by, family, not some commerce conglomerate or whatever. That some family bakeries, some family coffee shops and bakeries. I so much love those. Good life, yeah. Good life. That's the good life there. That's the good life there. It's great to hear, by the way. By the way, if you haven't already, can you help me out by pushing the like button, guys? Thank you so much. They're big in Japan and Korea, so we want to bring it to US. Okay. I'm sold on the idea. Looking forward to it. Colorado. I'm gonna look at it. Where's Colorado? I mean, come on, I know. Colorado. Come on, I want to see it on the maps. Map. How can I go to maps? All right. We're gonna watch the home. There you have it. Oh yeah, so I knew it right. Colorado is basically a rectangle, right? Bum, 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 bum. Photos. This is Colorado. Awesome. This is super awesome. Oh, look at this. What a picture. Look at this, man. Is this real? That is awesome. Colorado Springs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Dude, this is like almost in heaven. And this is the gates of heaven right there. Look at this. What a nice... Wow. What is... It's like a space station or something. Wow, look at this. Awesome. One of the rectangle states, yeah. Wow. So much stuff to see there. Garden of the Gods. A lot of places to see there. Wow. I never played golf, but I always said to myself, maybe I should be playing golf, Maybe I should try it out. Maybe I'm going to try it out in Colorado, maybe. Look at this beautiful golf course. Maybe I should try it out. The US Space Force has a base there. Wow. That's awesome. That's awesome. So many beautiful pictures from Colorado. Oh my god. So people live around these neighborhoods there. And I play golf here. I just say, oh, and whatever. Your sir. And then I go home. Zip. Awesome. I like that. I do like it. I like Colorado. Okay, we're taking out the order block high here. on the ES just before the market open into another fair value gap here, and the NQ is also going up to the 5-minute fair value gap. No entries. Not forcing anything. Bum, bum. Let's see, what else do we have? Feeling 18,450 today on the June charts. Okay, 450. Let's look at the big picture. I see what you mean there. Yeah, 450. All number near to the fair value gap. This is a bearish order block. Could be happening. Could be happening. Let me put this buy side out of the way. This one can be happening. Opening long with 5 micros and letting ride. So you're saying you're entering with 5 micros at the open and letting it ride to the 450s. Okay. Could be happening. Could be happening. I do like this these swing highs up there. This one from Friday. Almost relative equal highs here. Like 3 times. Let me show you. For example, one here, here, and here. So relative equal highs are in place. Not perfectly equal, but price wanted to go up 3 times at those levels. So if it does, then buy side should be at 363. But then if it goes higher, there's an order block there. It should be taking out. So the 450 is definitely a possibility. Question is, do they want to sell it off first, or are they just going to send it to the moon? Because we have relative equal lows almost down there. Market open will tell us, but that's a plan. I always keep forgetting looking at the higher time frames to have a bigger picture and a better understanding of what could be the scenario here. Because by just looking at the 1 minute time frame it's great, but it's not enough. It's just not cutting it. So for now, I would like to see this to sweep some liquidity. I'm not sure if the market open is gonna be, I don't know. I don't even want to speculate until a few minutes passed after market open. Well, let's see. Maybe something will happen. Okay, so this would be a market structure shift to go short. But since market is about to open in less than 2 minutes, I'm not taking any trades here. We're about to dump, right? So we have sell side here. Price didn't manage to pull this one through. This repriced this fair value gap. Market structure shift happened. Let's see. What do they want to do? I mean, the market makers, the manipulators. If this one starts to shift lower, I think we have a very high chance to break through the 66 level. I don't know. I don't know. It definitely looks like it wants to dump now, but if I look at the 5-minute, it can also continue to shoot up. Next buy side is at 261. Just saying, I'm gonna mark this up. Buy side is 261. Up there. All right, get ready. I'm going to have the market opening bell, so I strongly advise everyone to turn down the volume a little bit. It's gonna be super loud and you're gonna get deaf from this one, but here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market is open for business. So started to dump, and now it seems like we're going for buy side at 260 if it starts to go. Be careful, guys. Also be careful to jump into anything. There can be data latency issues, whatever, so be careful. I think I'm gonna put out, well, I have no trade on, but so far price is still, yeah, I think they should push it all the way up to the 260s, in my opinion, but I have no entry, so no, now they just reversing to the downside again. Are they gonna dump it? Seems like they do. Come on, let's see. It's looking very dumpy. Yeah, 97, 66 is very close. Very close, guys, be careful. 92, oh my god, this is very... Now it's going back up again. Reprice this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Who knows? Is it enough to shoot it back up again? Could this be a fake out? Still going lower. Only 20 points needed to break this level. The 90s are holding still. Down to the 80s. Oh yeah, 80s are breaking. Small fair value gap here. Nobody knows what price wants to do now. And now I think it's gonna break the 66. There you go. 10 points. Should be breaking the low there. Be careful if you're scalping. Be very, very, very careful. It can shoot up 20 points any second. And now the 66 has been tagged. There we go. I had no entry here, so I had absolutely no entry. I'm flat. So now that sell side has been taken, comes the question: are we dumping lower to these equal lows? Next target could be next target could be 82, or this was a sweep and they're gonna push it to the 60s. Are they going to push it to the 60s? Come on, let's see. Okay. Okay, still down there. No entry, guys. Absolutely no entry. No news, no entry. No entry, just waiting. Let me know what you guys are doing. I have no idea what price wants now. I have no clear entry, no clear setup. So just be careful. If I look to the left, well, yeah, nothing. Clearly, last time we were, it was on the 5th of March. So we can still go lower. ES spiked higher, repriced this fair value gap on the 5-minute. Still bullish. I think it wants to go higher, ES. If ES wants to fight higher, then of course NQ is going to follow. We have some swing highs up here. Not sure if the sell-off can continue for now. Maybe they want to reprice some swing highs. Let's see. Come on. We need to see a direction. NQ is edging higher. This is a bearish order block. I think, you know, this could have been a fake out liquidity sweep, and now they want to push it to 260s. Maybe. And then higher to the 300s. I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. I would absolutely not be surprised. $220, 30 points easy. 30 points can be easily taken. It's going up now. Almost back to the opening range. 10 points needed. It's going to break it. Careful with the scalps. I have no trade on. But it should be breaking the 38 like in a second or what, something like that. Or not. That would be the opening range. Repricing lower a little bit. Scalping with 1 micro here. Not sure what it's gonna do. Alright, scalped it, closed it. Just a few dollars here and there. Nothing special. Still waiting. It will take out the opening range at 238. There you go, it's taking it out. I was scared. But now comes the big question. If it closes above this level, above the 38 with the displacement, this could be a bullish breaker, and we could be targeting the 260s. What we need this candle to close above 38. The high was this on this candle was 44. Interesting. Oh, it's coming down again. Or is it just going to be a seek and destroy day? I don't know. I have no working orders, which is good. It's trying to push. And now it's pushing. So buy side should be at the 60s. No entry on my end. I have nothing here. I have no entry. No entry. This was just a quick scalp. Everybody is quiet, which means you guys are pretty much into some trades. I noticed that. If nobody is chat in the chat, then that means that you guys are pretty much like the deers in the headlight in the trades and watching closely. Which is, I don't know, is it good or bad? I don't know. Hope you guys are making some profits, really, I do. Oh, look at this, and look at the 15. Oh, what a lightsaber candle here on the 15-minute. As Methodical Man calls it, this is like a lightsaber here. Almost, actually. I mean, these candles, these pin bars, are meant to be broken sooner or later. So downside is 54. Kind of crazy here. I wonder if we get a displacement. Are we going to get some clean entry? Maybe it's going to be a sell-off. Who knows? Reprice that level. ES also repriced. The 5150 is still down there. It can still dump like crazy. 5150 is down there. Well, yeah. Let's put it here. Sell side liquidity 49.75 actually. Okay. This is just for indication. Opening range has been taken out. We have some sell sides down there. Has to break again below. Let's see. It has to break below 214 with the displacement if this one wants to be a sell-off. But nothing for now. If it continues to go to the upside, then I'm still thinking that the 60s can be a good target. If you look at this consolidation here, then this is just a barcode chart, not really doing anything here. Even if it closes like above the 47.50 area, there's not enough range to enter the trade for me on the long side. So that means I'm gonna have to wait. All right, 248. Let's see. No, it broke higher, but no displacement. If it would displace higher, then maybe we can target the 300 level. Let's wait for it. Okay, displacing lower right now. Come on. This is not a clean market structure shift at this moment. This is not clean enough, guys. Okay, now it's displacing. Market structure shift can be happening here. There. Market structure shift is happening. I don't know if I should enter. No, I'm not entering because fair value gap between here and there. Yeah, the risk is too high. The risk is too much for me. Not bad for a short though. But, well, I don't know. Got a little bit confused here. Repricing that gap. No, it's not good. No joy. I don't like this. I don't like this. I would place this gap to here. Optimal trade entry. Maybe right there. But now it seems like they just want to pump it. So, for example, if my entry would be 220.50, no, 220.50, it's down here. Then the stop would be here. Then the risk to reward would be good down there. That's reasonable, right? All right, I entered to a short with 1 micro, but I think I'm gonna close it if I see something crazy going on. At break even now. And I closed it. It was a scalp, sorry. Scalp trade. With a 1-to-1, I closed it. It was a scalp. Closed it with a scalp. Sorry if I disappointed anyone. I still think that this is a sell-off. It could continue lower. I'm just a little bit confused because of this fair value gap, but when it reached 1-to-1, I just closed it. So yeah, Do I have any working orders? No. So this was a scalp. No, not this one. But it's still going down. I have no trades on at this point. Okay. Should be dumping. Should be dumping all the way down to 170-ish. I have 0 trades on. I'm flat. Flat for the day. But it should continue lower. Yeah, it's going. If this is even a seek and destroy day, then it still has to go lower a little bit. There you go. Could have been a 1 to 2 R. Well, no. The 2 R should be down at 62. So if we reach 62, that would be the 2R. But still, it would have to break through the 56 anyway. So, should go through. Okay, so that would be 2R here. That would be 2R. R2D2. Excuse me. Question is it gonna make a new low or not? But it did go to 2R. Interesting. I have to make some new calculations. Oh, look at this. Going back higher. Okay, this is a nice retracement. Let's see what they want to do here. Let me check the accounts. Okay. Let's look, what do we have? This could be like, I mean, this can be just ranging until the whole AM session ends. So until lunchtime, we could be just ranging inside this area. I don't want to see that. I want to see it drop down. If this is a sell-off, I want to see that drop down. But so far, let's look at ES. If ES would like to dump here all the way to the 51.50, I mean, I love to see NQ go to the 82s on the June contract. That would be great. I have no position, but that would be exciting to watch. Okay, it's dumping. I think. What else? What else do I have here? Okay, so we went through this one. Created an order block. If it closes below 55, which I would like to see, this would be an order block, so we can see a retracement to the order block and then go short. Okay. Let's see what it wants. All right, nothing is happening. This one was a great short entry here. Maybe. I would say so. The neighbor's dog is barking like crazy. So that means go short, I think. Look at that. I think it's gonna dump. Actually, it went into this order block. Look at that. Wow. What a sell. ES should be dropping to 50. Why are these dogs barking so loud? That must have been some indication. All movement here feels pretty bearish. So let's just wait. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record the daily recap. So I'm just going to talk like I'm just recording a new video here. Hope you guys don't mind. But I'm just going to record the daily recap. So let's start it, all right? Until we have some sunlight. Welcome everyone. This is like super good news. We made $1,122, but the big update is that from this week I am trading 6 accounts connected, 6 evaluation accounts. So this is why the number is sort of big, because we added 2 more accounts into the pack. So we have 2 BULENOX accounts which I connected through this to this group. Still, it was a great day. Started the day actually digging myself into a hole. I got like 1, 2, 3 stop losses in a row in the London session. Scalped my way out with micros. It was a little bit frustrating, and for all I could see is that price wasn't really able to break above the 18,300 levels on the June contract. So instead, what happened is it just actually went down to sell side and after the New York session at 166 on the June contract again. So this was pretty good. There was a sell opportunity here which I took. It was off stream, but overall, let me show you the accounts. Here they are. Just for the recap, let's start with the BULENOX accounts, all right? Hold on. So this is the main BULENOX account. This made $188. The new BULENOX account is at 52,781, so that made $191. And the third BULENOX account is at 52,547. Which made $180. What else? We have the Apex account, which is up $184 above $52,052. The second Apex account made $196 today with the copy trading, and it's at 51,127. And the My Funded Futures account is at 51,771, which made $183. So overall, $1,122 in profit, which is very good. Hopefully, some of these accounts are going to go to the funded level, maybe if not this week, then next week. I'm pretty confident. So trading small. But overall, I'm happy with the results, and I don't really want to give back anything. So please consider that now from this week, I'm trading in this group with 6 accounts. But I think it was a very good day so far. So hopefully this will continue tomorrow as well. Anyway, see you guys on the London session. Okay, I just stopped the recording and this was the daily recap. I'm going to trade more, but I'm not going to trade with this group because I don't want to give back profit from this group of accounts. More than $1,100. Building these up to the funded level for me is pretty good, and I just don't want to give it back to the market. So we should be having some good days sometimes, right? Which also means, by the way, that if we can make $1,100 in a day with 5 accounts, now it is super easy to go down negative $1,200 or $1,100. So it can go the other way around too. I know that perfectly. So that's it, you know. It is just something that I have to go with. Let me check what I can do here. I am going to go to check the videos. And I have to upload this. Rare occasions. But this is one of those rare occasions. Where I can actually make some content. Thank you so much, Wetmild. It was a recording, yeah. It was a recording, yeah. It was only just a recording. I was making the daily recap because on this group of accounts, I am not going to trade more. I'm going to trade on the second group, which I'm not used to share on YouTube, but I can show you guys if I enter a trade. I might have a trade on my funded account too if I see a perfect setup, but the main group that I share, I had more profit than $1,100. So for me, it's very good. For me, it's a good start for the week. That's what I should say. So I'm just happy about that. You know, one of the purpose of this channel from my side is to show everyone that if you put in the time and the risk management and the patience and the discipline, then you can be funded with multiple prop firms. Not in one day, not in 1 week, but maybe in 2 months. You can do that, and you don't have to blow 10 or 15 or 20 evaluation accounts. You know, you can do it with micros. This one also gives me more discipline too, and more confidence in my trading style. So why not struck 2 birds with 1 stone, as they say, right? So overall, the day was great so far. I'm still looking for the sell side here. Let me know what you guys think, or are you guys in a trade or whatnot? Let me know. Let me know. I have to. So, must treat it as a business, right? Must treat this as a business. No other way around. Okay. I have to choose playlist. I'm going to put this to the main videos. Okay, everything's fine. Prop traders progress. Nice. Next. Okay. Submit. Next. Next. Okay. Seems everything is good. Everything is fine. Right. So I just published it. Still haven't even finished the trading day and I already published my daily recap. All right. Let's see. All right, everything is fine. Everything is fine. All right, look at that. It's dumping down to the 82s, I think. By the way, guys, don't forget the giveaway. It's still going, so make sure to sign up. There's a video in the pinned messages. Don't forget to sign. Yeah, I just got the email that today is the last chance to get the 3-pass Apex account, the 3-day pass Apex accounts with the 35% reset discount. If you want to YOLO some accounts, if you know what you're doing, then you can still do it. Okay. All right. Well, guys, I think that's it for me. Now I'm really shutting down the stream. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in the London session. I'm not sure I want to trade in this session more. It was a good one. I'm up in the greens. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Check out the giveaway. Use the codes for discount. We have some good sale going on still. Check out my funded futures. And, you know, check back during the London session tomorrow morning. All right. Have a good one, everyone. Love you too, Wetmild. See you soon. Yeah, for you tonight. All right. Have a good one. And thank you for being here with me. And see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.